Ladies and gentlemen, take a look what we are dealing with this morning. What the market we've been dealing with since the start of this week. Last week, before we closed for the boot camp, look at that ultimate war zone. This is Fibonacci support identified weeks in advance, present in the room weeks in advance. This was pure ball and pure pleasure, institutional support. May 25th, May 30th, May 31st, flawless. This is very different case scenario. We are at reversal zone traders. This is Fibonacci support present in the room on June 2nd. This is war zone yesterday the market open. And this is now bearish news on oil. One of the worst bearish news on oil in many months. And S&P moving to the upside. Fibonacci target is reached. No surprise. This is your crucial day trading chart. You cannot short into this Fibonacci support. You cannot buy into this Fibonacci resistance. What a range we're dealing with, and what a very important reminder. Never disrespect decision point 2. Are you surprised that price is sitting so pretty in this area? Should not be. This is how Fibonacci give you the targets in advance. This is what you must respect and adore each and every time, and move your stop outside of break even. This is the core target now. If you will ever disrespect it, success is not possible. If you're speculating and aiming for reversal zone right now, it's not gonna happen because buyers are weak. But what a pickle when it comes to day trading. How important is it to remember every single tick matters? Stop limit orders only. Decision point 2 must be respected. So what a couple of days that instant gratification had been tested. What a couple of days of ultimate reminder. If you know where Fibonacci support is, you never short near. We've been at this Fibonacci support since June 2nd. Despite horrific oil news, support is not broken. But the fact that buyers remain so weak is very big red flag. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Formula remains the same. Price action remains the same everywhere. Psychology is the core of the course. Warriors will be speaking in bootcamp. Cowboys are not. Cowboys need to master instant gratification first. Cowboys need to understand that being cowboy in the market never a recipe for success. And how market testing you for execution and accuracy nowadays is no surprise, as institutions holding the positions. As bullish rally 830 points later, taking a pause. Until the day we see institutions closing the positions, market will test you to the core. If you can master this market, you can trade anything. Ultimate test of your knowledge. Pivot is respected, shock or not. Very important, hot pink support. Very important, proper trail placement. Market is rallying. Horrific oil news did not mean a thing. How did we know? Simple. Fibonacci said so. And that's your workday, my beautiful traders. Absolute maximum time, 2 hours per day. As you witnessed once again, psychology is everything. As my beautiful students in profit, on completely different trade in seconds. Not hours, not minutes, as good things in life are worth waiting for. And that's a very powerful reminder this morning. Are you surprised that Fibonacci reversal zone respected on this trade? Are you surprised that we have horrific oil news and S&P pull back 5 points, but respecting this reversal zone? Should not be. Market is preset Fibonacci puzzle. Everything else background noise. Terrorist attacks in a play as we speak in Iran. Horrific oil news. And market respecting Fibonacci support. How is that possible? Let's take a look on oil. This is oil broke through this support. Finally, after trying since June 1st. Levels present in the room since early May. What oil will do at reversal zone will be very important. Last time oil had spectacular bullish news, it collapsed. From here, horrific oil news, S&P continue rallying, but not so fast. This is the first obstacle. This is hourly resistance present in front of you for weeks. Will this hourly resistance give us pain and torture? I live and breathe Fibonacci. Next bootcamp will be Fibonacci psychology. Next bootcamp will be for all, for victims, for cowboys, for warriors. Just remember, if you can conquer instant gratification, and if you can build self-awareness, the skies are the limit. Take emotional IQ test. And if you're not scoring high 80%, pretty please walk away from trading, because it clearly shows your levels of self-awareness, which is everything in life, which is everything in trading. And that's what played out this morning on S&P. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen, please do ask. Every single tick matters. Boom. And that's the reason my students become my dearest friends for life. And that's very typical email I receive from trader. Ed is a student in the course who plays this trade first week in the course. What are you seeing here? That's a trade he placed on SPY. That's a trade from institutional support. And that's how Ed closed his trade. His return on that one trade, as you can see from his June 21st institutional support calls. Clear on that? One call 226%, another call 253. You don't have to day trade S&P. You can trade anything if you master price action. And that's what course all about. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Look at that news. Worst news on oil in many, many months. Incredible oversupply. Plus, look at that. All the terrorist attacks across the world. And S&P is rallying. How is that possible? Because Fibonacci said so. After this room is closed, students in completely different trade at target instantly. Do you want to trade euro? Do you want to trade pound? Do you want to trade Apple? Do you know what to do with your position on Apple? Look at that. My favorite chart of all times. Hedge Fund Convention 2015 and hedge fund managers loading up on Apple. And I say you're out of your mind. Apple at reversal zone. The only good thing? Rules are met to short Apple. I don't care what the news is. I don't care what the earnings are. Last year, what do I say? Browse my blog, browse my YouTube, browse my social media and articles. Worst earnings in 30 years. And what I say? The only thing that's good is to buy Apple. It's Fibonacci support. Apple right now at reversal zone, but there is no shorts. Reversal zone is always present, but shorts are not. And this is exact same place where S&P is now. Boom. How many points a day do you need? Not many. What you need is quality. And this is where gold is now. This is exact same place where gold collapsed from in 2016. This is exact same place where gold collapsed from in 2017. Do you need to close your trade on gold or not? You must know the rules. This is exact same place where S&P is now on this junky little trade. That knowledgeable trader would not touch. Students took completely different trade. And this is exact same reversal zone on euro in 2014. Do you remember reversal zone? Do you remember euro at 3800? Ouch, where's euro now? Identical formula as you're witnessing now on S&P. Boom. Reversal zone is reached. S&P can collapse right now, especially because it correlates with very important area. It correlates with this resistance. If you know the rules, you know what you're monitoring for. Levels identified weeks in advance in a play now. You don't need to wait weeks, you don't need to wait months. You see it instantly each and every day. And that's exactly the reason I can't wait for a boot camp. This may be the last time boot camp this year. And that's the importance of playing by the rules. And that's the importance of never ever ever placing your trade based on horrific news. However, when reversal zone is present, it's extremely good idea to adjust your trail outside. Because price can collapse suddenly, many points. No surprise. It's crucial Fibonacci resistance. Exact same thing that happened on euro in 2014. Exact same thing that happened on Apple in 2015 can happen on S&P next. Because it's a reversal zone on little junky chart and it's hourly resistance. Boom. You don't have to wait for weeks. You don't have to wait for months to see the accuracy of the method. And that's what bootcamp all about. Reminder, we're closed for Father's Day weekend. Bootcamp extended through June 26. And again, that was reversal zone on oil in May. Remember all the OPEC production cuts? Did not mean a thing. And that's what S&P doing right now at reversal zone. Price action remains the same everywhere. If you start paying attention to price action and you unblock your vision, each and every day you understand so much more about markets. Each and every day you witness price repeating exact same patterns time and time again. All you have to do is pass psychological test and never trade corrections. Reversal zone respected. Are you surprised? S&P is crashing. Just like Euro did, just like Apple did, just like oil did, just like gold did. Except all of those charts are long term. You're witnessing the accuracy every day instantly. You don't have to wait weeks, months and years. And that's the core of the course. So if you browse the website, if you click under Learn, reminder, we have only 2 spaces left in a bootcamp. Trading room is closed and will reopen on June 27th. In a bootcamp, each and every day you master knowledge of the price and Fibonacci. Bootcamp included in the course fee for new students. Graduates paying additional fees to take bootcamp. Multiple graduates had done 8 to 10 boot camps, paying additional fees of $888, which new students do not pay. Boot camp including in the course. Course 8 weeks for new students. In group sessions, 16 weeks for private mentoring sessions. In private mentoring sessions, I practice your execution. We concentrate on the instrument of your choice. Regular schedule will resume after bootcamp. When we are in a bootcamp, we are 3-4 hours per day together. Mastering this. You can trade this, you can trade anything. Most important part of the website, always and forever, listen to the students and what they trade. Many students will be speaking in bootcamp, from option traders to stock traders to ETF traders to forex traders to DEX traders to Euro traders. Anyone and everyone trading the method, from beginner to hedge fund trader. If you ever have any questions, do not hesitate to click on Contact Us section and feel free to call or email me. But first, review the information on website. Ladies and gentlemen, I am out. Phil, I'll answer your question. Trading room closing. Adios. Alphys, let's go into